Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and bathCRATE, and today's virtual tour is bathCRATE Quebec Court in Modesto. We really wanted to profile this project because it is a really strong design. I love the way this turned out. We do a lot of earth tone projects, but this one really brings more of a little bit of a darker, a stronger design. So it just gives you an idea of just the myriad of different design options you can do for your project. So we'll jump into this virtual tour for you, and we'll start with the vanity. At this vanity, you're gonna probably first notice the vanity top. It's a granite with a kind of a black and white tonality to it. And you're gonna see two undermount Kohler sinks in kind of a rectangular format. We refinished the vanity, and of course did a new light fixture for this customer, and this really came together nicely. It's a really economic way to do it, and it turned out just really beautiful at that vanity area. Now as we go to the shower area, you're going to notice once again just a really cool design, a nice large format tile, a sliced pebble floor with once again a really dark finish that kind of gives you a bit of a base to your shower design, and of course an accent strip that's running through the shower area and also creates the back of the niche. Now shower niches are all the rage. We're doing these in pretty much every shower that we design for folks. They can be configured with multiple shelves, with multiple widths and heights, all sorts of things. Last but not least, I want to talk with you about this bathroom floor. Once again, really in keeping tone with this bathroom design. It's a nice dark long format tile floor running the width of the vanity, and really pulls this project together, gives it a good strong foundation when you walk in. So that's bathCRATE Quebec Court. If you're interested in a bathCRATE for your home, or perhaps a kitchen crate as well, give us a call, 888-995-7996, or log on to kbCRATE.com. Thanks so much.